Hey guys, today we'll be doing a Magic Crate project. So Magic Crate is a fun learning material with a wide range of activities and projects.
So today's project's name is the weight sorter.
So now let's see the materials inside the pack. So first you'll be getting these cardboard sheets
And some metal balls.
and you'll have some yellow tracks.
You'll have a few glue drops.
And a black foam.
So you'll be having few loose materials out of the packet. So you'll have 6 of these.
And 3 more black foams.
You'll have 2 tracks.
And 6 yellow straws. So now let's check the instructions book. So first you'll be getting 4 different arrangements. That's arrangement 1, that's 2, and that's 3, that's 4. So today we'll be doing arrangement 1.
So now let's check in the instruction book for our first step. Okay, so we need to attach these long things into the black foam. Okay, so let's start. So here are the materials we'll be needing. We'll be attaching them into the holes. Okay, so now we're done with all of them.
So now let's check instruction number 2. So in this we have to put the track into the first hole of the poles. So we'll be needing one of these and a track and one straw. So first take the track and use the straw and put it inside the first hole. Just push it in. And we are done.
Okay, so let's see our next step. Here it is. So we just need to add another track, the one with the hole, to the one we had done previously. So here's the one that we're done with, and we'll need one of this and the track and one of the straw. So we need to fix it to that like that, but in between the poles using the straw. So first we'll push it into this and then take both of these. Oh wait, we have to put it in the second one, not the first hole. So the track goes this way and just push it through this one. Get the other one and just push it through. It will be a little tight. Just try different angles because the holes might get blocked because of the other ones. Okay, so we've got it to the other side. Now just push it into the other side of the pole. And we're done.
So now let's move on to the next step. So for this we'll be needing one track and two straws. So we have to place the track onto the poles. So for starting with, we'll be needing the item which we just finished and one of these and one track and two straws. So first we have to attach the track onto the pole. So we have to attach the track onto the third hole so that the ball slides. Just push it in. It's gonna be a little hard. So now we are done with that. Okay, so now take the track and use the straw. Put it into the hole of the track. So this is gonna be a little hard, so it might take some time. Okay, so now I'm done with mine. So now we'll be turning this over to make the work easier. Make sure you're putting the track on the 7th hole. So that will be 4 holes under the first track which we put. Okay, so now I'm done. So totally it looks something like this.
Okay, so now we'll be needing a track like this. And we'll need 2 straws. So we're gonna be connecting this track with the other one. So we need to put the straw in the second last hole. And then take both of these. And just connect them. Make sure you put the straw in the second last one. Push it to the other side. Okay, so we're done with that. Now we need to put it for the other side. So this one's gonna come in the last hole. push it into the other side. Okay, so now we're done with this. This is how the track will look.
So now let's check the next instruction. For this we'll be needing coins, of which one is 8 grams, one is 7. We'll not be needing the 5 gram coin for arrangement 1, and we'll be needing a 4 gram coin. So for starting with, we'll be needing the item which we already made, and the boxes, and of course the coins. So first take one box and open it. Add 3 coins, so this will be approximately 12 grams. Now take the second box and add 1 coin, which will be 7 grams. So first place the box on top. Make sure the box is on the left side. So it will move like that. Now for the bottom box, the box should be on the right side. So now we are done. So this is how it will look.
Now let's check our next step. Okay, so we have to make the boxes for the metal balls to fall in. Okay, so let's start. So here are our cardboard sheets. There are 4 of them. And here's our glue drop. So we need to fold along the lines that are already provided. I'll be showing you how to make only one, but for arrangement 1 we'll be needing 3 boxes. So we need to fold it like this and stick the glue drop in the places they have shown. So let's stick them. There are 2 places where we need to stick them. So we'll need 2 glue drops for 1 box. And right onto the place where they've shown it. Now we'll just fold it and stick it onto this side and then just press it a bit. Now we need to stick on this side. And put it on. Now just push that flap inside and stick it. So 1 box is ready. So now we have 4 boxes ready. So let's go ahead and place them.
Now we'll be needing 3 boxes. So take one and put it on the left side. Make sure it's fit properly. Now take the second one and put it here. Take the last one and put it on the other side. So it will look something like this.
So we have 3 different sized balls. One is the biggest one, the medium sized one, and the smallest one.
So the biggest one will roll and then go down and then will fall into this box, and the medium sized one will roll, go down and fall into this box. The smallest one will roll straight and fall into this one.
So let's try them out. So now I'll be trying all of them out. This is the biggest one. Let's check if it works. Down it goes. And wow, it fell into the right box. The medium sized one. That too worked. The smallest one. They all work. Now let's do the
ultimate
weight sorter
challenge.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
If you want more videos like these, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel.
Bye bye. See you in our next video.